So one thing that I get asked a lot is, you know, what is this anytime, anywhere access thing really all about? I just want to show you something that I like to do a lot that helps me. Let's say I'm reading a PDF, for example. Okay, so I'm at my desktop. I'm just gonna open up this PDF. It'll open up here. So here I am. I'm reading it. But I know that I'm traveling. And I don't really want to have my laptop. I'd much rather use like my iPad or my phone to finish reading this PDF. So what I can do very easily is I can actually save this to my Google Drive. So if I go to Google Drive, um, I can actually grab this file. Let me just show you. As you can see here, here's the file. I'll just move it over here so you can see it on the screen. And here's my Google Drive. So I'm going to just drag and drop that file directly into Google Drive. It's going to prompt me to say, hey, would you like us to convert this? And for this particular case, I'm just going to keep it as a standard PDF. I don't need to edit it. I just want to read it. So it's going to start uploading it. And within seconds, it's there. And it gives me the option to share, or I can just open up that PDF directly. And as you can see, it opened up a new tab, and that document is there. So, and it should give me a nice preview of what this document looks like. As you can see, and here we are. We're now in the document, just as it was in that other file. Now, let's see what this looks like a little bit further. So let me just get out of here. And the name of it is TEI of Google Apps 2012. So let's say I am traveling and I want to have access on my iPad. I'm on the plane, I got Wi-Fi access, and let's see what that looks like. So I'm going to go to Google Drive. Okay, and it's just going to load up. And I'm going to jump in and look for TEI. I believe that's what it was called, TEI, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to do a search for that. There it is. And I'm going to grab that file, and just takes a second to load. And I'm able to go through and continue reading as I normally would. Now, I can take that a step further too if I'd like to. Perhaps I was on the plane and I was feeling kind of creative. So I wanted to actually create a new document. And I'll call this document testing for demo. And I'm going to create that. And it'll just take a moment to load. And then we're inside the document. Hi there. We're now typing a new document. And perhaps I get pretty far down here. I have some agenda points, sync with Drive, access anywhere, uh, expense, new iPad, just in case, Anyhow, and I'm working on this document, and then I decide, you know what, I'm done with it for now, but I'd love to pick it up on my computer a little later. So remember, it's called testing for iPad. I'm going to go into my Google Drive account, and let's just grab it right here. So I'll bring this back over here, and we'll go to Drive. And just load that up. And so let's say I've landed, I'm back, I'm now in the hotel room, and I would like to continue typing, but rather than using the iPad's keyboard, I'm just going to use the hotel Wi-Fi and just keep working. So now, or maybe I left my MacBook at home and I want to work on the hotel computer. So I just log into Google Drive and I start working. So I just do a little search. There it is, test. Oh, is it testing or test? Testing for demo. There we go. And there it is. It's already there. And what's even cooler is as I'm in this document right now, let me make this more effective for you, just to really show what type of synchronization you have here. I'm going to start typing, and just bear in mind, this is my iPad right here. So I'm going to go over here, and we'll just put my cursor over here. And help my computer slow down a little bit just because I'm running this recording application. Here we go, and I'll just go, hey there. we're working in real time. And, oops, looks like there we go. As you can see, there's a little bit of delay because of the recording, but there we go, that's better. Now it picked up. So I'll just go test, test, test. As you can see, my iPad and my device, regardless of PC or Mac, are in sync. Pretty neat, right? Great. Hope this helps.